guys, welcome to a new video. I am doing something today that I'm really excited about. I think this will be a lot of fun. It's just a little idea I got. LotR-Bounding. I'm not sure if people do this. Possibly, probably. I mean, why wouldn't you? But I wanted to do it as well. LotR-Bounding. So basically I'm going to create outfits with stuff I already have, just clothing from my wardrobe. We are kind of in lockdown again here in the Netherlands, so I can't really go out to buy anything. Not that I would do that because, you know, sustainability, minimalism, stuff like that. I'm gonna use whatever I already have in my wardrobe to create outfits inspired by our favorite Lord of the Rings characters. I put together 5 different outfits and they range from, you know, more costumey to more wearable depending on the character and what I was able to put together. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the outfit. And that's it, guys. Those are the outfits that I put together inspired by some of our favorite Lord of the Rings characters. I feel like some of these outfits maybe would have been a little bit more wearable without the wigs, but also maybe not. Who cares? It was fun. It was really fun to do. I'm already thinking of maybe I could do the same thing with some other shows and movies and things that I really love, but we'll see about that in the future. This is it for this video, guys, so I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content and weird stuff like this. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there are links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!